Hello, this is Mark from Farm Pest Management. Today, we're going to look at this little guy. Or actually, big guy. Okay, it's time to venture to get the targets from the top of my property. Here they are. There's Mr. Crow. He needs straightening out a little bit there. And there's my other guys right there. We're going to just take these off today. These hooks are absolutely fantastic. You just use a 2x4 and I use a couple of brackets. Alright, we're going to just take these two down for now. Okay, here we go back. On the way down, let's stop here and pick up these guys too. What I like to do is get some rebar wire and also a nice pair of clippers, some steel wool, the paint that I'm going to use, I like to use bright colors, and I get an old cardboard box to use so my spray doesn't go everywhere. And what I do with this wire, this is rebar wire, I cut these little hooks just to push in like this. Okay, so we're gonna scrape these targets now. So we want to get my paper targets off, so I just use a little scraper, scrape off what I can. I keep these out year round, and my property is very close to the ocean. I'm gonna leave that one on there. I can stick another one over there, it's fine. So then, my name's not Rembrandt, so I don't really care how it looks. I just want to kind of get it painted so that I can shoot it again. It's going to get chipped up anyway. This is Pauly the Prairie Dog, a hefty little fella. He is 3/8 inches thick, made of AR500 steel, stands about 14 inches tall and about 5 inches wide, and is made in the USA. You might ask, are these targets overkill for a pellet gun? And I say absolutely not. These pellet guns are becoming more and more powerful, and I want a target that can stop my slugs or my pellets so they don't pass through, for instance, plywood, backstop, or a fence. Plus, when I'm shooting out to 100, 150, or shy of 200, I love that sound that the metal target makes when you come in contact with it. Brilliant. I'll put a link down below for Pauly and many other targets and stands that Target Solutions have. I know you're going to enjoy them. They're absolutely fantastic quality. John is the owner of the company. Cheers, John, for getting this out to me as quick as you did. The company, again, is AR500 Target Solutions.com. And John is a very knowledgeable bloke and can answer any questions you might have about these targets. Okay, let's see if we can put a couple eyes on Pauly. There is one eye. Let's get another one. There we go. Wow, that is amazingly accurate. Yep. Fantastic. Well done, Pauly. You now have an eye to see. Wow. That's 2 shots. Basically the same hole. Wow. Here are some finished snapshots of the targets I did today. Thanks very much for watching. Maintenance on not only your air gun is really key, and this is just one small part of that maintenance. Take care. Cheers.